Okay, so now that we've added the elevation field, we're ready to export it to CAD. So I'm coming over here to the layer, right click, and down under data you will find export to CAD. It's already been added to my input features, which is great, but now I just need to tell it where to go. I'm not able to save over the top of another file, so I need to give it, each time I do this, I need to give it a new name. I'm just adding a 1 to this one, and the rest of that should be fine. Now I need to come to environments, and this is where I set the output coordinates. I don't want it to be the same as the input coordinates. I need to do as specified below. And then I want to come into here, my geographic transformations, and I want to set that to my projected coordinate systems. At the moment it's in a geographic system. I want to come down here to national grids, Australia, and once I'm there I can search for MGA, which is Map Grid of Australia, and I'm going to ask for zone 55 because that is where Victoria, that's the zone that Victoria is in. And I have two options here for GDA, or Geodetic Grid of Australia 1994, to MGA, Map Grid of Australia zone 55. That's the correct projection for that geodetic coordinate system. And they've also set up a new one for 2020. The 1994 one is fine for what I want. I'm going to go OK, and the rest of that should be fine, so it's just OK. Rest of that is fine, and OK. So that will start to output a file, and down in the bottom right hand corner you will see export to CAD with a little green tick if that has worked correctly.